Okay, more features. This product, probably more than anything we have, has features. And they benefit you in myriad ways. We hope you explore a whole bunch of them. One of the things that this allows you to do, besides creating a drying chamber, is it also allows you to create a manifold. You create the wall first, and then at the same time, you actually create this drying tool. We do that with this lay flat that we included with your kit. I'm going to show you how to attach it, and then I'm going to explain how it's best utilized. Okay, so you have these 5 vents along the side here. Each one is held in by a metal clip, pipe clamp, whatever you want to call it. And each one is removable in case you need to wash this. This is the only hard plastic that's of any importance on this whole thing, so you can machine wash it after you take these out. They also rotate 360 degrees, so you can aim these vanes in whatever direction. So if you want to hit the bottom of the subfloor, or do you want to hit it down the dirt and dry a little dirt, that's up to you as well. I'm going to put it back in because I want to show you how to turn this into a drying manifold. So you take your lay flat here, put your spring over it, your spring clamp, and then you're just going to stretch it over. This is it. Just put it there. Get your clamp in place. Easy peasy. You're good to go. Now, I have this lay flat connected. Oh, looks like I missed it here. Let's get that back on. This will happen. Things happen, right? So let's put it back on here. Now we're going to put it on. Okay, we're on. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this so that it deploys automatically when the bag does what it did in that first sequence. The way we do that is we choose the length that we want, tie it off so that we have a nice seal, and then you're just going to roll it up. Okay, as we get closer, we're just going to tuck it in right there on the top. And if I wanted to do it on all of them, I would. For the demonstration, I'm only going to show you the one. But now I'm going to show you how the rest of it works. I'm going to come over to this end. And I'm going to roll this thing up. This is the prep work you do in the driveway when you've decided on your configuration. Then you take all this down underneath with you, connect your air mover, and hit the power switch. Okay, now, because I'm in the driveway and I'm doing this prep work, I'm going to show you how I would actually prep this for a job. I'm going to take this clip back out of these loops here. And then I'm going to fold it over, wrap it around. Now this tiny little package is ready to go with me into the crawl space. And then I'm going to put it where I want it, connect the air mover, and like I said, hit that power switch. So I've crawled into the crawl space. I'm opening it up, reconnecting it like I'd done before. Again, feed the belt with buckles through the belt loops here. Okay, all right, we're ready to go. We're in that crawl space. I'm gonna hit the power switch and we're gonna watch it all happen. There it is. Now, perhaps I have already when I was in the driveway, or I'm going to now, probably when I was in the driveway, I will have marked the locations and cut the holes in the top of this lay flat so that it is putting the air at the bottom of the subfloor exactly where you want it. That's how you set an Xpress up to be a manifold in a crawl space.